Well, you know what's already time though, for real, for real. Woo! Have been ceramic coated with the Guyon product. I did 2 coats on the face and then also 2 coats on the inner barrel. I still have a half bottle left, so I don't know if I didn't use enough or if a bottle does more than one set of wheels, but I was very happy with them. So right now it's still curing. It feels really good, and I can't wait to get these on. These are definitely the best time to coat them is when they're off the car. Because you have full access to everything, so definitely worth it. Can't wait.